Hello! This morning we're going to assemble the sleigh ride card in a box. Now, I've made a few of these and I'll probably make a few more, and they're super cute. There's two components to it. There's the sleigh card in a box, and then there's the little fella pulling the sleigh. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut all the pieces out in the colors of your choice and line them up, put the colors together, and have a look at all the pieces. Now rearrange everything so that all the pieces that go together are together. Most of the pieces are onlays, but this particular one has underlays. The little black pieces for the snowmen are underlays. Once you know where everything's going, you can start gluing things together. Once you get the black underlay glued to your snowman, you can fold him up. So you're going to fold him just like this, and he will go together with a glue dot right at the very top. Now, if you want him to fold flat, you're going to have to use something like a tiny little piece of Velcro, but that might be too strong, or a very small magnet instead of the glue dot. And there he is, ready to go. The next part we're going to do is the card in a box, and you'll fold all the perforated score lines upwards. And then flip it over and add adhesive to the tab. Glue it together, and he's good to go. And see, he folds flat. The next step is to glue the tabs of the insert. And then place it inside the box. Now you can add the sleigh to the box. We're almost done. We just need to add the presents and the snowflake, and of course the little fella pulling the sleigh. If you've cut the long, thin rectangles from transparencies, then your snowflakes will look like they're floating in the air. So just use a few glue dots to hold the snowflake to the transparency, and figure out where you want to position that snowflake, and use a few more glue dots to hold it to the snowman or the sleigh, whichever you prefer. I added a couple of extra glue dots to the back of the snowman just to hold that snowflake a little more stable. It was flopping around quite a lot. Now it's time to attach the little snowman using his harness to the sleigh. You can attach this anywhere you want. And you might even want to cut another black piece to double up on the harness. And there it is, all done. Super cute home decor. And if you wanted to write someone's name on the sleigh, you have room to do that. And here's the Santa and Rudolph version. And here is the Rudolph getting a ride version. Now here's a close-up of the detail of Santa and Rudolph. This is Santa's face, and just make sure you get those layers in the right order before you start to glue things together. And here is little Rudolph. Here is a close-up of Rudolph in Rudolph Gets a Ride. And here is the detail of Santa pulling the sleigh. I hope you enjoy making these designs. I sure had fun designing them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.